Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of. Bigzzia pressure washer, 3500 psi car power washer kit. 1800 watt high pressure washer, 2.6 GMP electric pressure cleaner machine with 4 nozzles. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This electric pressure washer is provided with a ground fault circuit interrupter GFCI built into the plug of power supply cord. Total stop system, TSS. When the trigger is not pulled, the high pressure washer will be automatically turned off to save energy and extend the service life of the pump. Safety lock. When the handle is locked, the trigger gun cannot be operated. Powerful 1800 watt motor generates up to 3500 psi, perfect for siding, decks, cement, pavement, pools, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs and more. The electric power washer have 4 nozzles, perfect for kinds of clean situation. If you need loose tough stuff or remove deep stains, you can choose red nozzle 0 degrees or orange nozzle 15 degrees. If you need car washing or vertical glass window washing or some other surface washing, green nozzle 25 degrees and white nozzle 40 degrees will help solve the problem quickly. The electric POW cleaner has detailed graphic installation instructions, make it easy to install, easy to operate, and powerful pressure washer make your cleaning job more convenient and efficient. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.